Alright guys, it's time to wash this filthy truck. Let's see the transformation at the end here. Alright, well it's starting to look like a truck now at least. She's shiny. I'm thinking that when the paint dries, what I can do is just put a coat of turtle wax on it. And I had a red Ford one time that just came right back with the shine after doing that. So I guess we'll see. Again, it's just dark on this side, but when it's wet it kind of gives you an idea what it could be like. Gonna paint those rims white, paint the front bumper white, and I'll put the GMC hubcaps back on it as well. So now she's not covered in 2 years of algae, just a little bit more fixes to do on it. And got to put this thing to work today, so that'll be it for today.